move today on the S&P 500, up 1.55%, closing at 6705.12. The past 2 days have seen a very large rally attempt and big momentum to the upside. Still haven't quite recaptured the downside move that we saw from last Thursday's trading session. But with volatility picking up, this move is over 150 points to the upside, closing above the 50-day EMA, also closing above the big gamma exposure at that 6,700 strike. Look at all the volume today, over 300,000 contracts. One of the things we were talking about in this morning's live stream is the need to get above the 6,750 level. That's our next level target. You can see over the last couple of weeks that 6,750 level has failed on multiple attempts to get back above it. And so we really need to see the market move back up above that level to have a high probability shot of getting back to all-time highs at this 6,900 strike. And if we zoom out and just take a look at the overall gamma exposure structure here on our daily candlestick chart, you can see we're basically being sandwiched between two major gamma exposure levels, 7,000 to the upside and 6,000 to the downside. As we mentioned in a number of our YouTube videos, this gamma exposure at the 6,000 strike is derived from option positioning in the open interest that was started back at the beginning of this rally in May. And so one of the things that we want to see is this support level hold down here, the support that's been in place since last September. And it looks like buyers stepped in on Friday and that momentum continued through today. If we can get just a little bit of more momentum to the upside, this 7,000 magnet is going to be the main focus for market participants heading into year end. If, however, this support level at the 65.50 strike fails, then of course the 6,000 is going to come back into play and we could see that target hit very quickly. So there's a lot on the line for bulls right now, and I think the fact that we closed back in positive gamma exposure territory overall is a big win for market bulls in today's trading session.